What is going on with Litecoin? Litecoin up above $200 today. This is the daily chart. You can see this breakout from $160 up there to $217 right now. Litecoin, this overall downward trend finally breaking out. Is this time for Litecoin to go back to all-time highs? Talking about it in this video, so stay tuned. What's going on, guys? So the other day I talked about how Bitcoin, Litecoin, Digibyte, these things were kind of correlating. Everything was kind of stuck with Bitcoin. It looks like last night Litecoin has really said, hey, screw it, I'm going up. I don't care if Bitcoin's going up or not. And you can see Litecoin breaking out of this downward trend here, breaking out over that $200 area, which was kind of a key kind of mental area. You can see previously getting stuck there at the $200 area. What's really fueling this rally? So the big reason, or kind of the big catalyst right now for this rally, is that Litepay. So Litecoin is going to have a new payment system similar to BitPay, but it'll be called Litepay, that will allow you to use your Litecoin on a credit card. It'll be a Visa credit card. You can use it anywhere in the world. Any retailer that accepts Visa will accept Litepay. So if you have a Litepay card, you can buy anything, anywhere that you can with a Visa card. Now let's look at the 5-minute chart just to see how crazy this is getting right here. So really, Litecoin has been very consistent the last couple days, or the last week or so, been holding that 130, 140 area, and it's kind of moving across there. You can see how consistent this has been compared to the other coins that have just been kind of stuck. And Litecoin clearly in an uptrend here, but this morning really breaking up above that $200 area. That $200 area was a key area, that whole $200 resistance area, breaking out there and making a move up to that 218 area. Right now, where could we expect to see Litecoin go from here? Obviously, we're going to have that next resistance there, the 250 area. So we got the 250 area to keep an eye on. It's looking very kind of parabolic right now, just going straight up here. This is the hourly chart. 180 to 190, went to 200, 200 up there to almost 220. So the moves are becoming faster and faster. Breaking above this resistance, that $200 area, previous resistance. Look at the volume here as well. So if you look at the volume, let's look at the volume. You can see on this 4-hour candle, and just look at the volume ramping up. You can see the volume at the bottom of the chart here. Boom, 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 volume ramping, breaking out of this downward trend. This was key area, this 170 area. If it was going to crack here and pull back, it found support and then moved higher from there. So following that trend line higher. Obviously, I think this is very overextended right now. I'm expecting some kind of pullback before this makes new highs, but maybe the hysteria, maybe the FOMO really gets people, and maybe they get really excited. They want to buy kind of thing. You can see recently Litecoin hit $100 area, hit it twice there back in kind of the beginning of February, and now we're in the middle of February. Litecoin really taking off here, all on the idea of Litepay launching on the 26th. So that's the big news right now, that Litepay is going to be launching on the 26th of February. You'll be able to get your Visa card, and you can spend your Litecoin anywhere you want in the world. I'm not really sure that's a major catalyst. I don't know if it's really warranting this type of move. Obviously, I think there's a lot of value with Litecoin, but I'm not sure that Litepay is enough to really warrant this type of move. It's cool. It's really cool, but it's not the holy grail of cryptocurrency. So obviously, you can see people are excited. People are hyped up on the news. Like I said, this could just be a massive just FOMO parabolic move here. We'll see if this wants to pull back. But Litecoin making serious moves today. It's been a while since we've had a move like this, really, breaking out. And you can see this overall downward trend. It's breaking out. Litecoin is out of that downward trend. Now, we'll see what happens the next couple days, if it can stay out of this. The last thing we want is this to pull back and just start to crash again. Keep keeping an eye on it. Litecoin, always one to watch. You want to keep an eye on Bitcoin, Litecoin, Digibyte, all these, main coins. These are the coins to watch. These are the coins to invest in long term. Obviously, there's going to be a lot of bag holders, people that are just trying to get out. People who bought at $300 area, people who bought at the $400 area. There's a lot of people that are like, hey, I just want to sell, break even. I want to be done with cryptocurrency. So recently, looking at the volume, it's been pretty consistent on this downward trend here, just consistently going down. A little bit of buying there on this big spike down. Volume increasing here, kind of through this consolidation. And then this morning, we get a big spike in volume. Still not the type of volume that we had back in December when it really went crazy. So we'll have to see if that's going to catch up, if we're going to get more and more volume here as Litecoin moves higher. But do keep an eye on, I'm not sure I want to be buying right here. I'm not sure I want to be buying more coins at 220 area, 216. I'll see if we can pull back the $200 area and find some support at that point, and then look for this to move higher from there. But you want to be careful and not chase this. Remember, everything kind of moves in waves. These things can't go straight to the moon. But I'm going to say that I'm thinking Litecoin probably has a good chance of pulling back at this point and finding some support before I would buy more. It's really just about your risk tolerance. You know, if you're like really excited, you want to jump in there, look for a small pullback. I'm going to be looking for that next support area to really form and then look to add some more at that point. But Litecoin breaking out this morning. Cool to see that cryptocurrency is not dead. You know, people are still hyped on it. This is a major move in terms of volume, in terms of action. Seeing that move above $200 is like, hey, it's good to see. It's good to see that someone's still buying cryptocurrency. And as you can see today, and as you can see, Litecoin making moves. So keep an eye on it. If you guys haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. I'll talk to you guys later on.